Yes, I'm live now. Hey, what's up? This is George Shamon. I want to welcome you to this live stream. We're going to be talking about telecommunication. That's my field, that's my experience and background. So we can talk about it to a certain limit, covering the basics and answering some questions you may have. We cannot go uh, about a lot of specifics to the job because you know how it is. So if you have any questions, let me know. If you are in a telecom industry, you are an employee or employer, or you're trying to get into the industry, let me know and let's talk about it. What's telecommunication? What does it cover? Some of the terms. Uh, and some of the references and how to get into it if you are trying to find a job, or if you're in a telecom industry and you want to improve your skills. There's a lot of resources, certificates, courses, books you can get. So again, this I made a change to my YouTube channel. It was web page coder, coding HTML, making websites, HTML, CSS, and also using Linux commands. Those I still talk about them, but I want to embed the topic of telecom in it too, because I can share a lot of information about it because I've been doing that for a couple decades. So, but I'll share some of the skills I'm learning too, and how to improve your skills in this day and age, and whether you should follow the trends or not. So now I am in a gym, as you see, sitting on a bike. So if somebody walked in, I may have to stop this because this is a public place here. It's for the building. So, but as long as nobody is here, I can be talking loud. And if somebody walked in, I'm gonna stop it, then continue as when I go up to my place, where I live. So, as of now, I want to thank you so much. Let me know, are you in a telecom industry? Are you an IT tech? Are you into the networking field? Are you into networking computers? Are you into switches, routers? You know, so let me know what you think. And make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're interested in this kind of topics: technology, telecom, web, making websites, coding. But this is a new series starting with telecommunications. We're gonna talk about it, and I'm gonna be answering some of your questions whenever you have a question. But so if you're on this live stream, I want to thank you so much for tuning in. If you will be on a future replay, thank you so much too. I want to thank you. Make sure you submit your questions, give me a signal, or enter a comments so I can help you. I can answer questions you may have. And again, this specific presentation is about telecommunication. It's the first tutorial or first presentation related to the telecom. I've been talking about different subjects for the uh, in the technology, coding, programming, and talking about other people on this live stream. So this is a two-way conversation. So if you see me talking and presenting live, don't be afraid to chime in certain topics, as long as the topics are related to what I'm saying. Those topics about the technology field, telecom, coding. But this one is, let's talk about telecom to be specific. And I'm trying to attract different kind of visitors or audience, whether you are in a telecom field or you're trying to get into it. We can talk about it a little bit. David, Aki, Franco, hello, thank you. Welcome to the live stream, David. Where are you tuning in from? Are you in the US or overseas? Let me know. Guys, let me know where you're tuning in from. I'm very interested to know my reach. Am I reaching just the US or overseas or where you live, you know? Athens, Greece. Wow, you're very close to Lebanon. I am originally from Lebanon. You're familiar with Beirut, the capital of Lebanon? So we're neighbors. I am from Lebanon originally, but right now I am in the US. I'm coming to you live from the US state of South Dakota, and the town is Sioux Falls. Yes, but I am Lebanese from Lebanon, and I go to Lebanon every couple of years, you know, so we're close. I know Greece is nice, and Athens is the best, one of the best. Yes, we are neighbors. Yes, exactly. Yeah. So, David, what industry are you in? Do you go to school or are you in? What are you doing right now? I am in an exercise room, exercising on a bike, you know. So, if you see me stopping, then it means somebody walked in. Nobody walked in yet, you know, but I can continue it when I go up on my now on my bed. Okay. Yeah, it's what time is it now? It's 1:30. I guess it's maybe 9:35 your time. It's 9:35 in Lebanon. I guess you have the same time as Lebanon, the same time zone. David, also, and also, you need to start what? What you want to start? Okay, yes, nice. Yeah, same time as Beirut, you know. So yeah, it's 1:35 my time now. Let me see. Yeah, exercise. Yes. Oh, okay, you can start exercise. Okay, I see. Yeah, yeah, yeah. David, make sure you subscribe to that channel if you haven't. I need to grow my channel, and I need your help and everybody else's help to. The more uh, subscribers I have, the more motivated I get, the more videos I make. Yeah, thank you for subscribing, David. I see you subscribed. I got a notification. Thank you. Thank you for subscribing. Yeah, let me know if you have any question. What industry are you in? Do you go to school or are you working or are you interested to learn? What are you learning? Done. Oh, okay, you're done. Oh, okay, I see. So, yeah, I have a small channel, so not a lot of people will be watching, but people will be tuning in and out, and most viewers or audience are first timers here. You know, great job because sometimes we need all that you are doing in your channel, working and studying. Okay, sure, yeah, yes, yeah, yeah, yeah. You know, uh, expanding or upgrading your skills is great. You know, it doesn't matter what industry are you in. Now, I know if you're in school, you'll be busy with your school work. You may not have a lot of time, but I'm sure in school they teach you about technology, about programming, Python programming, making websites, etc. You know. So, but myself, I've been out of school for a long time, and so I like to study on my own, increase my skills, add my skills. You know. So I am in a telecom industry. Yes, they do. Okay, yeah. So. Uh, Are you a college? Are you in a college? What are you studying? Or you're in high school? Now, nowadays, everybody is talking about artificial intelligence, Python programming. This is the trend. You know, I'm not into it yet because I don't understand it. I have to look into it more, but I like to start step by step. Like once I got into coding, I started with the basics, HTML5, CSS3, and little bit JavaScript. So I'm gonna get to more stuff, you know, but I don't have a lot of time because I have a full-time job and I'm busy and I have to keep up with my own field, you know, the telecom field. So Yeah. So anyone else? Yeah. If you're tuning in, let me know if you have any questions. We're talking about this is the first presentation about the telecom industry. I want to start talking about it. Besides the other technology topics I cover, this is very important. I may not be able to share a lot of details because but I can talk about the basics, and you can find a lot of information on online, so on the internet. But if you have any questions that I can answer, yeah, let me know. So questions, comments. Hey guys, if you see me looking like that, there's a swimming pool in front of me. So